Hello friends, welcome on Shanti Competitive Institute. Today we will discuss about folk painting, Madhubani paintings. First है Madhubani painting is traditionally done by the women of villages around Madhubani town. Madhubani town is located on Bihar. It is also called Mithila paintings. The paintings have a common theme and are usually drawn from religious motifs of the Hindus, including Krishna, Rama, Durga, Lakshmi, and Shiva. Next है the figures in the paintings are symbolic, such as fish depicts good luck and fertility. The paintings are also made depicting auspicious occasions like birth, marriage, and festivals. These paintings traditionally painted on walls using rice peat and vegetable colors on a base of cow dung and mud. These are three main themes in Madhubani art: religion, social scenes, and elements of nature. All the best. Thank you so much.